My name's Bryan Hofeld. I'm from Chicago. Grew up in Chicago, went to the University of Kansas for undergrad and Loyola University, Chicago for law school. After that, I practiced law in Chicago for several years and moved down to Florida about 5 years ago. My wife is from down here. And so after we had kids, it made sense to come down and be closer to her family. My dad was a plaintiff's trial lawyer. And so I had his example to watch growing up, and I saw how hard he worked to help people who really needed help, people who had been seriously injured or killed by virtue of somebody else's negligence, people who really didn't have the means or the ability to help themselves, and they were going up against large insurance companies, large corporations. And I saw my dad growing up fight for those people. And that was certainly a source of inspiration to me. And then as I got older, in high school, I took a law class, found it fascinating, felt that it was something that resonated with me. And so ultimately I decided to follow, in my father's footsteps and pursue the same line of work that he did. When the decision was made for us to move down here, I wanted to find a place that was, one of the best places to work in terms of being a prominent, successful plaintiff's firm. It's exciting. We get great cases to work on where we have a chance to help people who really need help, people who have been seriously injured, and sometimes even people who have died because of the negligence of others. The know-how and the track record, there's a work ethic here that we're going to do whatever it takes within the bounds of the law, whatever we can do to help our clients and to reach a successful conclusion, whether that means a settlement or a verdict at trial.